Okay, 1.4. Cloud economics is about transforming how organizations think about technology cost. Instead of making large upfront investments in hardware, licenses, and data centers, the traditional on-premises model, AWS lets you replace those heavy fixed expenses with flexible, usage-based pricing. You pay for only what you use and when you use it. That shift turns capital expenses into operating expenses, freeing up cash flow and allowing businesses to scale resources up or down based on demand. Beyond cost savings, cloud economics also drives efficiency and innovation. By migrating workloads to AWS, organizations gain access to global infrastructure, automated scalability, and near instant provisioning, all while reducing operational risk. Automation and managed services like AWS CloudFormation, RDS, ECS, EKS, etc., further reduce the time and labor spent on maintenance. This means your teams can focus on innovation, not infrastructure. The result is a leaner, faster, and more predictable cost structure, one that rewards smart architecture, automation, and continuous optimization over raw spending. In Inception, control and precision define success. Each dream layer had to function flawlessly, efficient, stable, and balanced. Cloud economics works the same way. AWS helps you replace fixed costs with variable ones, so you only pay for what you use. Right sizing keeps every resource perfectly aligned with your workload. Licensing flexibility lets you choose what fits best, while automation tools like CloudFormation, RDS, and ECS keep the entire system stable beneath the surface. The deeper you go, the more efficient your architecture becomes. Because in the AWS cloud, like in a dream, the goal isn't to control every detail. It's to design the system so perfect that it runs itself. Okay, great work in completing Domain 1 Cloud Concepts of the AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner course. You learned how the AWS Cloud unlocks scalability, agility, and innovation. How architecture, migration, and economics all connect like layers of a dream. We explored the AWS framework, migration strategies, and cloud economics that make AWS both powerful and efficient. If you're enjoying this journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. I'll see you in Domain 2, Security and Compliance, where we'll learn how to protect the dream you've just built. See you then.